Hi everyone, here's a question on sectors. We want to find the shaded area shown in the diagram. You may like to pause the video and try to solve it yourself first. Now let's work through a solution. The diagram shows a sector OBAC of a circle with center O and radius 10 centimeters. The point P lies on OC and BP is perpendicular to OC. Angle AOC equals 1/6 pi or pi on 6, and the length of the arc AB is 2 centimeters. In part A, we want to find angle BOC. Let's go through some important formula. If we have a sector of a circle, the arc length is given as S, the angle is measured in radians, and R is the radius. The arc length is S equals R theta, and the area is a half R squared theta. We'll use these formula in the question. Let's find angle BOA. We know that AB, the arc length, is 2, and the radius is 10. Just substitute in 2 for the arc length and 10 for the radius, and the angle is calculated as 1/5 radians. Therefore, angle BOC is the sum of the given angle, which is 1/6 pi, plus 1/5. We can simplify that to one fraction as 5 pi plus 6 on 30 radians. Now we will find the area of the shaded region BPC, giving your answer correct to 3 significant figures. The first thing to do is find the area of sector OBAC. That is this complete sector here. The area is half R squared theta. So we have a half times R, which is 10 squared, times the angle in radians, 5 pi plus 6 on 30. That will simplify to 50 times 5 pi plus 6 on 30. We will cancel the 0 here. We will get 5 on 3 times 5 pi plus 6, which is 10 plus 25 on 3 pi. And as a decimal, that will be 36.2 square centimeters. And that's the area of sector OBAC. Now we find the area of triangle OBP. So that's this triangle here. And we know that sine of an angle is opposite on hypotenuse. So we have sine of the angle, which we know is 5 pi plus 6 on 30, is equal to the opposite side, which is BP, divided by the hypotenuse, which is 10. When we cross multiply, the length BP will be 0.662 times 10, which is 6.62 centimeters. By Pythagoras, we can find the length OP here, and that is the square root of 10 squared, which is the hypotenuse, minus 6.62 squared, and OP will be 7.5 centimeters. Therefore, the area of the triangle OBP is half times the base times the height, and that will give us 24.8 square centimeters. Therefore, we can calculate the shaded area. It's the area of the sector OABC minus the area of the triangle OBP, which is 36.2 minus 24.8, and that will give us 11.4 square centimeters for the shaded area. Thanks for watching.